Hello, I'm Angela Coos and I'm the English tutor here in Swansea University for the PGCE course. I became an English teacher myself, having studied English, because I wanted to continue studying my subject, and I felt it really important that I continued that then in school and became an English teacher for many, many years. I've been working in initial teacher training for over 16 years and have thoroughly enjoyed the opportunity to train the next generation of teachers in what I think is an incredibly important subject, spanning the teaching of poetry to the teaching of grammar, allowing children to learn how to become better users of language themselves, to understand the language that's around them and to engage with literature at a high level. I think teaching is an incredibly exciting job. No 2 days are the same, and this PGCE course is the best place for you to make that start in your new career. The course here in Swansea is very much evidence-based. We are extremely fortunate to have very high standard of tuition available and links made to our subject departments here, which is quite unusual really. You will have the opportunity, if you study here, to continue to develop your understanding of your own subject as well as how to apply it in the classroom. I'm delighted to be working here and to be leading the English part of the PGCE course here in Swansea, and I think it would be a fantastic place for you to start your career.